Today is August 26, 2018, and we're on the Good Time 3 cruise out of Cleveland. It's a sightseeing cruise looking at Progressive Field, a stadium here where the Cleveland Browns play, as well as some silos. Just passing by.
The fork in the river to
Say hi,
the right
sweetie.
was the original course of the river, the part that Moses Cleveland entered when he founded the city
Show
in
you the other side on the.
1796.
This is Lake
At
Erie.
that time, the mouth of the river was a mile from here at what is now Edgewater Park.
And now we're in the
The entrance that we are using
Cuyahoga
was
River.
dug between 1825 and 1840 when Congress appropriated $90,000 to open this new channel. It's interesting to note that back in the early 1800s, when this project was getting ready to get underway, Cleveland was faced with a very unique issue. There was a very massive professional labor shortage. They simply didn't have the
Got to see some
professional contractors
kayakers.
to come in and do the work of actually digging out
There we
this
go.
large channel. So having to resort to somewhat unconventional means, Cleveland conducted a work lottery. Basically, any able-bodied citizen, young or old, male or female, could be conscripted each day, Monday through Saturday, to complete roughly 8 hours of work.
Maybe a little
on the
more later.
digging of the